Hello friends, so today in this video we will let you know that how you can simply configure general setting in Odoo. So here you have a menu options available on a main screen, so you can simply go into the settings. Under the settings you will have general settings. So in general settings you can define the user, you can invite user from here. Here you will have the option to see that how many active user are there in your instance. Then you can see the languages, you can add multi languages if you want. Then you have company information, you can update your company information from here. Here you have the document layout, you can configure document layout for your invoicing and for any other documents. Here we have some email templates. If you want to configure your email template, you can set it up from here. Then you have a unit of measure column where you can define that what should be the unit of measure to be used for weighing. So here you can select either kilograms and pounds. For the volume, you can define either cubic meter or the cubic feet. Then we have a column related to the discuss where we can mention and define the activity types. We can configure our own email servers. If we are using Twilio services, so we can set it up here. Then we have Google Maps. So if you are managing dynamic Google Maps, so you can set up from here. Then we have a statistics column, and this is about the email digest. Then we have contact related settings where we can define how to send SMS, how to use the partner autocomplete and IAP services. Then we have permission related column where we can define some configuration that either we want to enable password reset option on the login page, so we can select it here. And if we want to provide some default access to the new user, we can set it up here. And we can allow this instance to be available for import and export purposes. Then we can set it up here. So this was all about permission configuration. Then we have mobile application related, that if you want to receive notification on your Android and iOS application, so you can select it here to push notification. Then we have progressive web app. So if you are managing your web app on Odoo, so you can configure here as well. Then we have some integration related stuff for the general setting, where we can define mail plugin, Google Calendar, authentication, Outlook Calendar, Google Images. So if you want to integrate these services, you can configure this from here. Here we have asterisk for the VoIP. So this is the option only available for the enterprise version, and it is not available in community version. Then we have a performance related column. Then we have developer tool where we can load demo data, we can activate the developer mode, and much more. And in the last, we have the about column where we can see that in which Odoo version we are currently running. So here we can see that we are using Odoo SAS 16.2 enterprise version. So hope this video given you the information relating to the general setting. So stay tuned with us for more videos. Thanks.